Canada reintroduced COVID-19 tests for entry, and in 2022 the country issued a record number of permanent residencies. These and other news are in our weekly compilation. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Hi from Canada. The new Avatar, The Way of Water has been at the box office for several weeks and is the 14th highest grossing movie in film history. And Canada has a lot to be proud of. James Cameron, a Canadian citizen, directed the movie. In addition, IMAX technology, invented in Canada, was used to create the movie, but according to the laws, the film is not Canadian. Due to the surge in COVID-19 cases in some countries, Canada is introducing new measures for air travelers. From January 5, passengers arriving from China, Hong Kong, and Macau must have a negative COVID test done no more than 2 days before departure. So far, the measures will last for 30 days. In the new year, some laws have changed in Canada. The changes affected the rules for buying housing for foreigners, tax rates, limits on savings accounts, payments from the state, and more. You can find the complete list of changes on our website at the link below this video. And in Toronto, there will be a new tax on vacant property in February. Owners will have to pay 1% of the cost of housing if no one lives there for more than 6 months. Measures should contribute to the emergence of new rental housing. The difficult economic situation in the world affects Canadians as well. Gas and gasoline prices will rise in 2023, analysts say. Food prices will also rise. The average annual check will increase by $1,000 per family. And real estate prices, according to forecasts, will fall by 23% by the end of the year. Although 2022 was difficult, Canada ranked 12th in the top most influential countries. There are 85 countries in total. The ranking considered economic and political influence, international alliances, exports, military forces, and other external factors. But Canada ranks 3rd in the top countries for a living. Canada welcomed a record number of immigrants in 2022. The country accepted 437,000 new permanent residents. This is even more than planned. Also in 2022, twice as many applications for PR, visas, and citizenship were processed than in 2021. Canada has ambitious plans, but the country needs to address the housing shortage to achieve them. Therefore, the government needs skilled specialists in the construction sector. The demand for real estate is constantly growing, but not enough houses are being built. Moreover, 20% of construction workers will retire in the next decade. So if you want to immigrate to Canada and work in construction, now is the right time. You can contact us for help at the link below the video. Another job opportunity. In 2023, the province of New Brunswick will hold a job fair in Côte d'Ivoire. The region needs nurse aides, orderlies, and patient care assistants, as well as wood, pulp, and paper processing workers. You need a year of work experience, a Canadian format CV, and the opportunity to visit the fair in the city of Abidjan. We talked on our website about how to apply. Check out the link below the video. The Canadian government is trying to reduce childcare costs. Parents on average began to pay 50% less, so more families want to send their children to kindergarten. But there are not enough employees in preschool education. 82% of organizations experience difficulties in hiring qualified staff. In 2021, the median wage for a childhood educator was 27,000 Canadian dollars per year, but many Canadian provinces have already raised it. Let's move on to the immigration draws. On January 4, there was a draw in British Columbia. The province issued 211 invitations to skilled workers, university graduates, and entry-level and semi-skilled workers. Some invitations were sent to childhood educators and healthcare specialists. On January 5, Saskatchewan held a draw for entrepreneurs. The region selected 50 people. This time, applicants with a good command of English or French could score lower for an invitation than those who didn't have a language test or showed a lower language level. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notifications bell icon to stay up to date with new videos. See you in Canada!